such an iconic of what is happening in the Philippines, especially in relation to extrajudicial killings and political killings. And so here's the classic. This one is actually borrowed from an image, a photo image of someone who was victimized somewhere not very far from here. So you have actually the partner and the man partner. And so, and here you have the pages of the scriptures, right? And here you can see written in the Hebrew and Greek letters, Lord, Lord, why have you abandoned us? Or my body is crushed, right? And written also in some other with some other characters, Chinese, South Asian, Northeast Asian. And here we have this like a tear within the context of this nuclear testing activity in the Pacific, creating ripples, something that is damaging to the oceans of the Pacific. So these are that's the context of this particular tear. And of course, the context that we've seen in the Philippine setting.
Wow, thank you.